Hello and welcome to the Maya quiz. This quiz is part of our comprehensive 3D animation course in Autodesk Maya, available on multiple e-learning platforms. Let's begin. We can either go to the Create menu or to the Polymodeling shelf to create primitive objects in our scene. The options are True, False. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is True. Primitive objects are those formed of dash. The options are basic shapes, complex shapes. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is basic shapes. With interactive creation mode dash, we can set the dimensions of our primitive object as we create it. With interactive creation mode dash, the object is created with default dimensions, which we can change later. The options are on, off, off, on. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is on, off. Using the Select tool, we can drag dash marquee around objects to select them together. The options are a rectangular, an irregular. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is a rectangular. Using the lasso tool, we can drag dash marquee around objects to select them together. The options are a rectangular, an irregular. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is an irregular. Using the Paint Selection tool, we can select the dash of an object by painting over it like a brush. The options are Material, Components. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Components. Using the dash, we can move objects in any direction. The options are Move tool, Rotate tool, Scale tool. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Move tool. Using the dash, we can scale objects up or down as needed. The options are Move tool, Rotate tool, Scale tool. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Scale tool. Using the dash, we can rotate objects along any axis. The options are Move tool, Rotate tool, Scale tool. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Rotate tool. There are a total of dash handles on the Move manipulator when using the Move tool. The options are 3, 6, 7. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is 7. Alright, that brings us to the end. See you in the next quiz.